Grow cauliflower like a pro, a beginner's guide. Ready to harvest your own delicious homegrown cauliflower? It's easier than you think. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know to grow beautiful cauliflower right in your backyard. Let's get started. Choosing the right cauliflower variety is key to success. Consider your local climate and the time of year you want to harvest. Different varieties thrive in different conditions. Early varieties like Snowball are great for shorter growing seasons. Don't be afraid to experiment with colorful options like purple or orange cauliflower for a unique twist. Starting your seeds indoors gives you a head start. Begin about 6-8 weeks before the last expected frost in your area. This ensures your seedlings are strong and ready for transplanting. You'll need seed starting trays and a quality seed starting mix. Sow your seeds about 1/4 inch deep and keep the soil consistently moist. A heat mat can speed up germination. Make sure your seedlings get plenty of light. Use grow lights or place them in a sunny window. Avoid leggy seedlings as they are weaker and less likely to thrive. Before transplanting, you need to harden off your seedlings. Gradually expose them to outdoor conditions over a week. This helps them adjust to the sun, wind, and temperature changes. Proper soil preparation is crucial for healthy cauliflower. They need rich, well-drained soil with a pH between 6.0 and 7.0. Test your soil and amend as needed. Amend your soil with compost or well-rotted manure. This adds essential nutrients and improves drainage. Cauliflower are heavy feeders, so give them a good start. Plant your seedlings 18-24 inches apart. Rows should be spaced 24-36 inches apart to allow for adequate growth. Water thoroughly after planting to settle the soil. Consistent moisture is essential for cauliflower growth. Water deeply and regularly, especially during dry periods. Avoid letting the soil dry out completely. Fertilize your cauliflower every 2-3 weeks. Use a balanced fertilizer to provide the nutrients they need. Side dressing with compost or using a liquid fertilizer are also great options. Blanching is important for white cauliflower varieties. When the head is about the size of a tennis ball, tie the outer leaves together to protect it from the sun. This keeps it white and prevents discoloration. Keep the area around your cauliflower free of weeds. Weeds compete for nutrients and water. Mulching can help suppress weeds and retain moisture in the soil. Cauliflower can be susceptible to pests like cabbage worms, aphids, and flea beetles. Use row covers to protect your plants from these pests. This is a simple and effective solution. For organic pest control, try insecticidal soap, neem oil, or BT, Bacillus thuringiensis. These are safe and effective options for controlling common pests. Apply as directed on the product label. Prevent diseases by ensuring good air circulation. Avoid overhead watering, which can create a humid environment that encourages fungal growth. Remove any diseased leaves promptly to prevent the spread of disease. Harvest your cauliflower when the head is firm and compact. It should be about 6-8 inches in diameter. Don't wait too long, or the head may become loose and grainy. Cut the head with a sharp knife, leaving some leaves attached. This helps protect the head during storage. Refrigerate your harvested cauliflower for up to a week. So, to recap, we've covered variety selection, seed starting, transplanting, soil preparation, watering, fertilizing, pest control, and harvesting. Growing cauliflower at home is a rewarding experience. Remember, with a little care and attention, you can enjoy fresh, homegrown cauliflower. It's a great addition to any garden and a delicious addition to your dinner table. Now it's your turn. Give this video a like if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!